Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a Airoh helmet. Most people will be familiar with it. They're extremely good helmets. The only problem we have with this helmet is the fitting for a GoPro on the chin is almost impossible, and on the sides it's got quite slopey edges and stuff, so it makes it a bit difficult to mount a GoPro camera on them. Me and Monica, we went to Kloppers and we got this thing. In South Africa, to get a chin mount for this kind of helmet, you have to import it, and it costs around roughly about 800 Rand to import it. Where this one we bought at Kloppers for 250. It doesn't work 100%. What we did is we took a file and filed this whole piece down because it was sticking out like this, so that would cause your camera to show downwards the whole time. The footage wasn't very good with it on. Now this is my first try out with the helmet, and hopefully we got nice footage, because we've been struggling all year to get good footage. Another thing that one can do, because I see the way Monica tied it, is actually take these straps and tie it onto the far inside here on either side, and that also stretches the mount more like this, causing more of an upward angle. But now before I put it on, I didn't really see, so let's just hope the footage came out well and we've got nice footage for you. The other thing what we've improved on is this mount. I don't know if you guys saw one of our videos where my wife broke a rib. We've lost 2 GoPro cameras before with these flimsy ones that you put on the bar, and when you're driving gravel, the vibration so much that they actually snap off. And this one is now made of aluminium, and you've got more options with that, and we're going to hopefully get better footage with this. And the advantage with this, you can lift it quite high, basically off the thing by just twisting and lifting higher and higher. So it's a twist action, so I'm going to give it a go and see how that comes out. As you guys can see, the view, the angle is much better than all our previous videos. By the next year we will definitely be giving much better footage on the bike. We're still lacking what one would say is a mic socket to go into the GoPro, but on the GoPro 8 that's also quite a task and a difficult thing to do, but we're busy working on that. And yet at the end of the video you'll see how the handlebar view looks, which is also an excellent improvement on what we've done. So guys, go out to Kloppers if you need to get this part, or Google it online. I don't exactly know what the names are, but the handlebar mount was quite expensive, 650, and I would recommend you getting the top piece, the top screw-on thing separate, because it's the one that comes with the handlebar one is actually it's actually that soft plastic thing, strangely enough. And I found that out on the strip, because that also snaps off. But the metal one, there you get a metal one that you buy extra. I think it's maybe 50 Rand or so, and that one will definitely do the trick. But and the GoPro, the chin mount, it can actually basically, I think, fit on any bike helmet, right? And with a bit of modification, but don't be afraid to file down here or there. Like I said, it tends to show downwards. But if you can have it file down, that you can bend the camera a bit backwards to get a much better top view. And I mean, that is a bargain, 250 Rand. It's really much better than those Chinese things that you get that you have to stick onto the helmets and stuff, because it just tears down the helmet. So no more sticking patches and stuff. This is excellent thing.